Hi friends, welcome to Ask Investment Academy YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for free stock market related videos. Everyone wants to save more money, but only few knows how to save more money without wasting much. I will give some of the ideas on saving maximum amount of money from your income sources. Make a list of all your expenses in a month. Add all these expenses in the form of monthly budget and compare these expenses against your income sources. Try to find the unnecessary expenses which can be avoided in next month. Make a list of items required for the household needs like groceries for complete month or for 2 months. Try to buy these grocery items in bulk from the supermarkets at the discounted prices so that you can save some amount of money. Always buy fresh fruits and vegetables from the local vendors in the markets so that these items will be available at cheaper cost and without much preservatives. If possible, don't bargain from these local vendors as it is livelihood for the poor people who sells these fruits and vegetables on the carts or on the roads. Avoid purchasing new items which are not required urgently, like dresses, mobiles, and costlier watches. Try to postpone them as much as possible. Don't take loans to buy anything like bikes or cars or houses. Why? Because most part of your income will be required for repaying the interest rates on these loans. Avoid using credit cards as much as possible. Use credit cards only for the unavoidable expenses like medical expenses, household expenses, or for children education so that you can use money in your bank account for the short term investments or for some other needs. And try to repay the credit card loans before the due date to avoid paying huge amount of interest rates on the loans which you have taken earlier. Don't become easy prey for the fake sale offers. Companies or shops will hike the prices of their products by 100% and then they will give 50% discounts. But remember, they will not give offers for losses. Innocent customers will get attracted to these offers and buys the products which are not at all useful for them. You should not make that mistake. Think whether the particular item in those offers is really required for you or not, and then take the decision whether to buy that particular product or not. Don't buy unnecessary items in the e-commerce websites for the sake of offers on the big billion days. If you are buying unwanted item with MRP 10,000 rupees for 1,000 rupees in offer, it is a loss for you. Most of the people think that they saved 9,000 rupees, but actually people forget that they are losing 1,000 rupees on the unwanted item which is of no use for them. Before buying any item, ask yourself whether that item is a want or need. If you cannot live without that item, or if that item is used to save your time and your money, then that item is very much required for you, then you can buy that item. All other items which are used for leading luxurious life are called as wants. Avoid buying these kind of items which are used for luxury. Try to avoid going to restaurants as much as possible for having food and try to avoid ordering foods through the home delivery apps. If you can cook your own food, you can take care of your health and also you can save at least 80% of the money which you are going to spend in the restaurants and for ordering food through the home delivery apps. If you are going outside on your bike or in your car, carry all the documents and follow the traffic rules strictly. Otherwise, you have to pay hefty amount of money as fine for crossing the traffic rules. Always set goals for the savings like building house or buying vehicle or for children education or for retirement benefits. Otherwise, there will not be any motivation for saving the money from your income. Don't go to false prestiges or don't try to show off by buying branded items. Don't get influenced or bothered about what others will think if you are not buying costlier branded items. Today they might ask you why we have not bought good costly branded items, but they will not ask you or they will not help you whenever you are facing problem in repaying those loans. Stay away from these kind of people and do friendship with the people who likes your behavior, but not with the people who gives respect to you only if you buy the branded items. If you want to buy any electronic gadget or costly household item, then wait for 30 days. Don't get tempted with the flash deals in the e-commerce websites. Within that 30 days, your mind will tell you whether that item is really required for you or not. Moreover, you will also get to know about the pros and cons of that particular product which you are planning to buy. Generally, people will save whatever money left after the spendings. This is the biggest mistake. First, we need to reserve the money for savings, then only we have to spend the remaining money. It is always advisable to reserve 20% of your monthly income for the savings and 30% of your monthly income for the investments. Remaining 50% only you have to spend for the household expenditure. 30% of the money which you are reserved for the investment can be invested in the gold, or you can invest in the stocks, or you can trade in the stock market. One of the greatest investors in the stock market, Warren Buffett, once told, never depend on the single source of income. Try to learn trading in the stock market to earn extra income other than your salary. If you can learn and then trade, there is a chance of making your money many times. Please like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for getting instant notifications on free stock market awareness videos. Thank you very much.